What would be examples from other coaching sessions you've had that maybe would resonate?
So one thing that some people go is basically honestly effort-based, because obviously measuring outcomes is really important, big fan, but again, you can't control the outcomes entirely. So a lot of people go with, for example, experiments they've run, like things they've tried, like say they want to try 4 different things over the course of X months or weeks, or they want to involve n number of stakeholders, or they want to get feedback from a couple more people. So essentially really tuning into what does it feel for me to actually put the work into this project? How much can I dedicate to it, to changing this perception? And then what do I need to feel good about it? And that's very individual. For some people, it's also that they just basically say, I'm going to give this another 3 months. And if it doesn't work, then I'm out of here, for example. So that can also be a piece there.
So I think about this kind of improvement process in like 30 and 90-day chunks. So
Yeah.
I think for me, what
Yes.
would make sense would, okay, over the course of this next quarter, I'm going to have 3 like 30-day, we'll call them sprints. And
Yep.
for each one, I'm going to implement or experiment with one perception grower. And, given 30 days, and then I can pivot or I can keep it and add another experiment if
Love that. Yeah, it does. This is really good. I love the structure. I also love sort of building in some reflection. And I also would add to that, note observations over those 30 days. Like write down the things you're doing, write down some observations that you're capturing. One, it can be really helpful to have something to reflect upon later, because we easily forget those sort of small moments. And it can also be super helpful as a way to actually mark your improvements.